We'll guide you through how to hide notification content on the Android lock screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can see here I went and received a text, and you may not want to go and have the content shown on the screen, because otherwise people can just go and press the side button and without unlocking it, they can go and see the contents. So it's actually really easy to do, and we can go and change a setting. So we can go and swipe up, find settings. You can always search for settings at the top to go and find it, and it will then go and open. Then what you want to do is go down and you can press notifications. In here, go and find lock screen notifications. Now what you can do is you can go and completely turn these off. Where it says show content, you can press the gear or cog icon to the right and just choose the apps, because some apps you may don't mind showing the contents and others you could switch off here that you want to go and be hidden. Or you can just go and hide content for them all, like so. So now if I go and press the side button and come back on, you'll go and see it's now hidden. That's it.